Hi everyone, welcome to 30 Days of Food as Challenge, and today we're going to be talking about immune boosting food. So ready to get your defense sorted? Let's get started. Number 1, colorful bell peppers. They are excellent source of vitamin C. They help boost your immune system and ward off those infections. You can have it as a salad. Number 2, the golden spice turmeric. It has an ingredient called curcumin, which is basically a powerhouse of anti-inflammatory properties and immune boosting properties. You can include them in your curries, also in your golden milk. Number 3, probiotic yogurt. It is an excellent source for gut microbiome and basically helps you boost your immune system. You can have it as a snack either with your berries or super seeds. And lastly, vitamin C rich fruits like citrus fruits, which basically helps you boost your immune system and ward off those infections. Have it as a fresh fruit juices as your favorite meal. So stay healthy, stay immune. Join me on my free Facebook group for deeper discussions.